Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mayate, and I am here with this a hair tutorial. I don't know, y'all. So if you guys don't know, I purchased 2 blonde wigs in 613, and I'm excited because I'm about to make this bad boy slime green. I have some hair color here from Kiss. It's called Lime Light. And you know, I want to do some slime green hair. I have right near me a bowl of hot steaming water. You can see the steam, and we are going to color this hair. So before I get into it, I do have my gloves on. So I will be using is from Kiss, and I'm just going to add some color in here, and I'm going to stir this bad boy up. Add a little bit more. Oops. I have a towel here, but this stuff is still getting in the way. Put a little bit more. So I think it's at the color that I want it to be at. Yeah. I'm going to put a little bit more in here. So I think this is good. I'm going to dip my unit in the water. Uh-oh, doesn't look like it's turning slime green. Okay, so I had to go to the beauty supply store, and I used this in Kiss Lime Light, and I went and bought another one of the Express from Kiss in Lime Light. Oh, they're both the same color, and this is how it came out. And I'm just gonna let this sit in some more. Because like, to me it kind of looks splotty, but I really won't know until I rinse it out. But I feel like the bottom is like vibrant. So I'm going to rinse this out and blow dry it to see how it's going to look. Okay, so I just colored and blow dried it, and OMG, I'm in love. Honestly, I was scared when I was doing it because it looked like it was gonna be like yellow, but the bottoms were like really green. But honestly, I'm in love. I love the different tones in it. Like, oh my goodness, this hair is everything. So I believe this one is 20 inches. The other one I had was 22 inches. But oh, I love it. And guys, it's so, literally this is so easy. So what I would recommend when you do this, buy at least 2 hair things, maybe 3. Dump it inside the water, just mix it and lay your wig in it. Because I let this wig sit in the water for like 30-40. Honestly, I let it sit in the water, and I left. I was gone for an hour, came back, let it sit in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I rinsed it out, put some spray in it, and conditioned it. You guys don't understand how excited I am. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to buy a couple more units. I'm going to do a pink one. I want to do a rose pink one. I want to do a silver one. Rose pink, silver, and royal blue. Once I get those 2 colors, it's over. And tax season is about to come, so bitch. OMG. I just can't get enough of it. This hair is everything. But this is my review, guys. So this AliExpress hair, the 613 hair I got for $88. It definitely takes color. So sis is about to buy a couple more wigs. I'm gonna color it and I'm gonna come right back and let y'all know how the kid likes it. That's my review. Bye, y'all.